Mabuti, ikaw.
Later, I'll go to SM and eat ice cream.
Really? Who are you gonna go there with?
Daddy.
And?
Mama.
Oh,
And Mommy in heaven.
okay. And what ice cream would you like?
Mango.
Mango. Do you want Java chip?
Now we can talk Tagalog.
Okay.
Gusto mo?
Gusto mo ba ng Java chip?
Dili.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Ano gusto mo?
Chocolate.
Chocolate lang? Tapos, anong gagawin natin sa SM?
Chocolate. Kay Girlie. Kay Ashley.
Anong gagawin natin sa SM?
My cousins made ice cream first. She made Ate Girl like mango, Ate Ashley like ube, and then Kuya Dudu like chocolate, and then Kuya Steven like mango.
Okay. What will we do there at SM?
To ride.
What will you ride? Anong sasakyan mo?
I'm going to ride I want to ride the animal.
Yung animal.
Uh-uh.
Ikaw lang mag-isa? Opo.
Opo.
O sige. Wala kay papabili?
Wala.
Wala.
Only you and me.
Papabili. Don't want anything to buy?
Really.
No? Hindi?
Hindi. Only you.
Ako lang? Ano ako? Ano bibilin ko?
Ice cream.
Bibili ng ice cream na naman? O sige.
Okay, naman na.
Okay, bye. Thank you, Heaven.
Bye-bye.